Okay, this is actually the second time I've filmed this. What I'm going to do in the middle of this is try to add a video clip of me doing it in the calculator. So anyway, it may be, you're just going to have to learn with me. So 9 and 10 I'm going to do together because, okay, that's not what I meant to do just now. 9 and 10 go together because those are the ones that are combination permutation questions. So the ones that were the end of chapter 3. So 9 is saying how many different groups are possible. 10 is basically saying the same thing. In how many ways can the 4 medals be awarded? So it's again like saying, okay, you're only going to choose 4 people. However, how many different ways can you award first, second, third, fourth place? So the whole concept, this whole thing boils down to whether or not order matters. And in a combination, order does not matter. So I'm going to put no order. That just means it doesn't matter. You can rearrange the 3 names or the 3 people, and if you do, it does not create a different group or a different situation. That's how you know you have a combination. Permutation, order does matter. Okay, so that just means if you've picked your 4 people and you put them into position, okay, so I probably just gave away which is which, but whatever, and then you rearrange those names, is it a different situation? If so, then that means the order matters, and that makes it a permutation. So in these situations, number 3, I don't know where I got 3, number 9 and number 10. In number 9, you have 3 students from a class of 8. So I have 8 total to choose from, and I'm choosing 3. And it just says that I'm choosing them to represent the class. In this very exciting thing, which I'm sure you've heard plenty about on the news, the whole world is excited about the Statistical World Series. Also, it doesn't exist, and I made it up, but whatever. Okay, so order doesn't matter. So if I chose, like, I don't know, Seth and Cassie and Mo to represent our class, and then I reported it, somehow I got the names all mixed up, and then I said, okay, our 3 people are Cassie, Seth, and Mo. That's not a different group. Same group. Like, order doesn't matter. So that one's a combination. Down here below in number 10, now I'm filling people into first, second, third, and fourth place. So just imagine writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then putting the people into the positions. If you change, okay, so if I have student A in first place, student B in second place, student C, and it's obviously a weird coincidence that it just happened to be A, B, C, D, but whatever. And then you pick up and move, oh wait, oh my gosh, I'm going to see if I can do this. And then you, no, that is not what I wanted to do. Anyway, if you rearrange spots, like you rearrange those 2, that's a different situation, right? Order matters because you're filling them into position. So what that means is that number 9, stop it, I didn't want that. Alright, I just had to break in the video, so I don't know if, hopefully it's going to work out from here. Anyway, my eraser function is all kooky. So, number 9, we just said, number 9 was a combination. And so there are 8 people in the class in number 9. It's a combination. So in your calculator, remember, to do 8C, C stands for combination, 3 because you're picking 3 people. In your calculator, you have to enter the 8 first, okay? Then go select the NCR function, and then you're going to enter the number 3. So and then I'm going to try to embed a video clip of doing that in just a second, but it might not work out, so let me just go and write number 10 next to it. 8 NCR 3, 8 total people, and you're picking 3 of them. If you do that in your calculator, you find out that you have 56 possible ways that can happen. In number 10, you have 14 people to choose from. 14 students right there. You are picking 4 of them. And it's a permutation because order matters. So you're doing 14P4. When you do that in your calculator, you get 24,024. So, I'm gonna go ahead and try to embed a video clip. I'm gonna hold my calculator out and show you doing that on the calculator, and hopefully you can actually see it. I'm gonna hope that you can see it. Okay, Oh, look, I already have it up there. All right, so I got to clear that out. Okay, to find the NPR's NCR functions, you have a key on your calculator called math. It's right there underneath the yellow and green key. So you're going to hit the math key, and then PRB stands for Okay, this is not good. I can't get it right. Stretch! Hold on, everybody. Going for a ride here. Okay, there we go. See what's happening here? Arrow key. You got to go arrow to the PRB. That stands for probability. That's where all your probability functions are. There's your NPR and your NCR. So that's where you're going to find those two things. So to do 8 NCR, enter the 8 first. There's your 8. Hit your math key. Go over to probability. Pick NCR because we're doing a combination. Now you have to put the 3 because we are choosing 3 people. Enter, and that's how you get the 56. For problem number 10, you had 14 people in the class, so you enter 14. Then you hit your math key. You go over to probability. That one's a permutation, so you select NPR. And then that one you were picking first, second, third, and fourth place. That's 4 people. Hit enter. There's your 24,024. And there you go.